Now all the controlled component behavior is completed. It's time to move on uncontrolled functionality. Uncontrolled component in React.js. How to achieve? Then I will here I show in only register.js file. First remove all the value and on change functionality from the input field and the on click sub on click handler and all the state related to username, email and password. For the controlled event, I simply just want event on form. So I write on submit handler and the function name is remain same register user, and here after you save that you simply find username, email, password is this field is not defined. So for controlled component uncontrolled component I use form data. First make a variable and make an object of form data, and from here I get e dot current target. Means if you write anything in the input field that this is called the current target, and from there I simply passed username, and from form data you get form data dot get username, and for email and password the same. So there is a minor code change for movement of controlled to uncontrolled component. Controlled component gives you like gives you a light version, means if you can write less code as compared to the controlled component. Now your scenario is changed, and your functionality is working same because I change only form data value. And if I save if I register the user like test3 and the email is test3@gmail.com and the password is, you can check their user is registered successfully, and if you see you can check. But one thing that the field is not empty. For that I use another React.js hook, and this hook is called useref. Useref is mainly used for focusing on something, like if you want to focus on input field. Here I want focus on form data, so I make a variable for useref hook, and after defining useref or exporting, after registration successful I simply reset the form ref by passing form ref dot current dot reset, and this form ref is used on form. Here I use ref attribute and they pass the variable name form ref. And now if I save another user or register another user by test4, their email is test4@gmail.com and the password is 123456. If I register that, you see this form is empty, and if I log in from that user, then I am able to. Your password is incorrect. I think I entered the wrong password while registering the user, and you can check here password is null. Why my password is null? I think there is a miss or something else. Here I get the password from the form data, and in form data input field password. Here name is email, so there is a typo here. And now if again another register with another user, then you can check password is coming fine. Now your control to uncontrolled behavior. Now you can know how to handle controlled component and how to handle uncontrolled component with the form. In next video or next video I will show how to use Axios in CRUD operation, and then after I use middleware. Thank you.